I've got a lot of clients that come into my job whose makeup specifically sits like this around their nose, and today I'm going to show you how I try to fix it because it does happen to me as well, and I'm going to show you what I use to help that. This is my absolute favorite. It is from Tatcha. It is the Rice Polish Classic, but it comes in 4 different kinds. It is a powder exfoliator. And I forgot to mention, I'm starting with an exfoliator first because a lot of people will just say, I need a new foundation. It's sitting like this on my skin. I always recommend an exfoliator before anything because it's sitting on dry patches on our skin and just irritated dead flakes that we need to scrub off, basically. It is water activated. I'll just pour some on my hand, get a little bit of water, and before I massage it in all the way, I'll start massaging it into wherever I have my dry patches all over. Gently wash it off. Your skin feels so good after, you guys. Next thing you'll need is a really good moisturizer. This one is currently my favorite from Skin Fix. I have never heard of this brand before. It came into our little next big thing selection at Sephora. And we did get it as gratis, and I tried it and my skin felt so good after using. I did put it around my nose when I had a cold, and literally all those dry patches that I had anywhere on my face, it just went away. So I'm truly convinced that this is an amazing moisturizer. It also has peptides in it to help keep your skin firm because I am aging as well and I want anything that will keep the wrinkles away. So I love this one right now. The next thing I'll recommend is a really good primer. My favorite right now is from Tatcha. It's called the Silk Canvas. I'm gonna tell you guys why it's the best. So this is a balm. It's unlike any other primer I've ever tried before. Anytime I put this on, I save it for like my best whenever I'm going out, basically. I want it to look my best when I'm using this. But I'll put a little bit around my nose, specifically where I feel like my makeup looks most patchy. And it literally just puts like a film between your skincare and your makeup, and basically when you put your makeup over it, it sits perfectly. Basically, I'm just saying that you need to try this primer. If you want your pores to look smaller, your lines to look smoother, like, give this one a try. I'm telling you, it is amazing. So I'm not finished with my makeup yet, but I do want to show you a demonstration. Obviously, you guys can see I have really large pores, and right here my makeup is kind of just cakey. It doesn't look that great. So what I'll do is I'll just get a little bit of this, kind of warm it up between my fingers, and then I'll just pat in. And already I feel like I can tell a difference. Like, they look a lot better. Let me know what you guys think.